Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 2025, a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of performance, luxury, and innovation. Bugatti has taken everything extraordinary about the Chiron and elevated it to a new level, creating a masterpiece that redefines speed and exclusivity. The design of the Chiron Super Sport is pure engineering art. It's not just built to look beautiful, it's shaped by aerodynamics. From the elongated rear tail section to the quad exhausts, every element is crafted for maximum performance. The lightweight carbon fiber body is sleek and aggressive, featuring unique Super Sport badging and custom aerodynamic elements that help it slice through the air with unmatched precision. Under the hood lies the legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, delivering a staggering 1,600 horsepower. Bugatti has fine-tuned the engine to enhance both power and efficiency. The result? A top speed of 273 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.4 seconds. The Chiron Super Sport doesn't just accelerate, it launches you into another dimension of speed. One of the key highlights of the Super Sport is its enhanced chassis. The car features an advanced suspension system and specially developed Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, designed to handle the extreme speeds this car is capable of. Bugatti has also equipped it with an updated transmission for smoother and faster gear shifts, ensuring unparalleled driving dynamics. Inside, the Chiron Super Sport offers a level of luxury that's expected from Bugatti. The cabin is a blend of cutting-edge technology and handcrafted elegance. High-grade leather, polished aluminum, and carbon fiber adorn every surface, while the seats are sculpted for both comfort and support during high-speed drives. A customizable digital cockpit provides essential driving data, and the minimalist yet luxurious layout ensures the focus remains on the road ahead. Driving the Chiron Super Sport is an experience like no other. The steering is precise, the acceleration is relentless, and the handling is incredibly stable, even at speeds that most cars can only dream of. Bugatti has managed to make a hypercar that's not just a powerhouse on the track but also comfortable enough for long-distance cruising, thanks to its adaptive suspension and refined ride quality. Now, let's talk about exclusivity and price. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 2025 is expected to have a starting price of around $4.2 million. With only a limited number being produced, owning one is as much about exclusivity as it is about performance. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 2025 isn't just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of what's possible when engineering, performance, and luxury reach their pinnacle. For those lucky enough to own one, it offers a driving experience that's as rare as the car itself. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.